In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a password vault in LastPass. If you're new to password managers, think of the vault as your secure, encrypted home base for all your logins. We'll keep this simple and clear, and by the end, you'll be signed in and ready to go. Start by heading to the official LastPass website. You can type the address directly into your browser or use a search engine and select the official result. Make sure you see the secure lock icon in the address bar and that you're on the correct domain before proceeding. Using an up-to-date browser helps avoid compatibility issues and ensures you have the latest security protections. Once you're on the site, look to the top right corner and click Login. This takes you to the sign-in screen. If you see options like Get LastPass, ignore those for now. We're focusing on accessing the vault you already have. If your screen looks slightly different due to regional settings or updates, the login option is still typically in the top navigation area. Next, enter the email address associated with your LastPass account and click Continue. This step tells LastPass which account you're trying to access so it can direct you to the right vault. Double check for typos before continuing. Depending on your settings, you may briefly see a security prompt such as a simple verification, which is normal and helps protect your account. Now, type in your master password. This is the single private key that unlocks everything in your vault, so it should be strong, unique, and memorable to you. A long passphrase, something you can remember but others can't guess, is ideal. Avoid reusing passwords from other services and never store your master password in plain text or share it. If you're in a private space, you can use the show option to confirm you've typed it correctly. Otherwise, keep it hidden and watch for things like caps lock. When you're confident it's correct, proceed to sign in. After a moment, you'll land inside your LastPass vault. That means you're set up and ready. You might see a brief product tour the first time. Feel free to follow it or skip it. From here, you can organize and manage items like website logins and secure notes whenever you're ready, but the essential setup is complete. To wrap up, we visited the official site, clicked login, entered the account email, and signed in with the master password. Consider bookmarking the vault page for quicker access next time, and always sign out if you're on a shared device. You're all set to keep your passwords safe and accessible.